Top of the morning. Just getting ready for the New York Open. Got about 12 minutes to go. I'm starting out in the red again. I took another Asian session trade and the market was just not going anywhere. And I wanted to go to sleep, so I closed out the trade for a loss. So I'm going to see if I can find some good trades during the New York Open here. Trading the ultimate flow setup. Got my 5-minute NQ chart, 1-minute NQ chart, and a 60-minute NQ chart. I finally released the MMT rolling ratio indicator that auto plots these Fibonacci extensions. There's a video out about that if you're interested in learning more. Trading on the NQ 1-minute chart, then I'm copy trading micros in all of my prop accounts. I had to break out the 4-hour chart, find some better support and resistance to the upside here. I like 700 to 750 area. Got some strong selling at 770 on the delta profile there. So I was just looking back at this level here, right at 690. We just came up to 690, took a short, grabbed 10 points. It's a whole big cluster of activity all in this area. Just went for another short. We got this washout signal, intra-bar, negative delta coming in on the ES. This next candle, we got negative delta across the board. We're getting a mighty drop off. I cashed out a little bit early. I think I got around 8 points. MMT polarity, the washout signals, some of my favorite reversal signals. I'm looking at 770 to 830 now. I grabbed another short up here. Just check out the delta. Some negative delta creeping in. Look at the 5-minute. 5-minute candle's about to close. There's hardly any delta. Slightly negative on the ES. If I would have held on another 20 seconds or so, I would have got my full 10 points, but I cashed out and I think I got around 5. See the flow stack just went bearish here. Check out the top wick on this candle. We get the flow stack color change. After the close, we just dropped down 30 points. The flow stack is a beast. Just got into another short. Check out the negative delta on this candle. We got point of control up into the wick. Went for a short, looking for it to pull back the whole number. We got the pullback. I was also noticing the negative delta on the ES, pretty dang big to the downside, even as we're coming up here. Strong negative delta on the ES. You can see it on the 1-minute as well, just negative ES, negative ES, negative, negative. And we got the pullback there. Back to break even mostly. Check it out as we're coming up here, nothing but negative delta on the ES. So I'm looking for some kind of reason to get short. I mentioned earlier I was looking between 770 and 830. We made it up to whole number at 800. We had cumulative delta divergence. Then we had a washout signal. We got point of control up into the top wicks on these 3 candles. Blam! Looking for a retracement back to the 20 SMA, which we just got. Rejecting right off of the 20 SMA, my favorite moving average. Up 20 points off of the 20 SMA, this white dashed line. Had to go for a short here. We started pulling back, trying to test the 20 SMA again. So on the first touch we bounced. On the second attempt, I'm thinking we're gonna push through. We got negative delta coming in. Check out this previous 5-minute candle. We got point of control up into the wick. Tiny little body after some bigger candles. Negative delta across the board on this previous 5-minute candle as well. We got the break below the 20. Flow stack went bearish. Even after the close of this 1-minute candle, just popped down over 20 points after the close here. Back in the green. After starting off the day negative $90 per account. I gotta just stick to trading my 1 hour a day during the New York Open and just forget about everything else. Just grabbed another short here. Check out all these wicks. Wicking right off of the 20 SMA. Mostly negative delta. Point of control up into the wicks. Went for the short. Got another 10 points. Just got a short up at this 50% wicks level. You can see this orange dash line. We just came up there pretty much to the tick. Just dropped off almost 50 points. I'm just looking at this previous 5-minute candle. We got point of control up in the wick. Flow stacks bearish. Grabbed another 10 points. Even after the close of this candle with the big top wick and point of control up into the wick. After the close, we just dropped off about 20 points. Flow stack went bearish here, negative delta across the board. After the close of this candle, down another 25 points. Check it out, we just pulled down right to the 15-minute center. This is part of the MMT key levels. 15-minute center, one of my favorite key levels. Blam! 670 up to 720, over 50 points in just a minute or two there. We had already started pushing up before 10:30, so right at 10:30, I was looking for a tiny little pullback. Then we got a washout signal intrabar. Blam! Dropped over 20 points, got my 10. I love trading the ultimate flow chart setup. There is a link in the description to the video that shows how to set this up. And once again, the new rolling ratio, automatic Fibonacci, and golden ratio zone indicator is available now. If you check out the video, there is a direct link in the rolling ratio video. Otherwise, you have to go to my website, monkeymantrades.com. There's a direct link on the website as well. It's 11:22. I'm going to be done for the day. I've been trading a little bit more while I've been editing this morning's video. Stacked some more micros, up around 150 bucks in most of the accounts, times 7. Pretty good morning. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, TradeDay, you're the best. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.